Hi mga suking followers! Kumusta? Okay, so guys, I'm start to build and grow into my every platform sa social media. So I'm trying my luck to engage every person, okay? So I do this video para paghangyo sa inyo sagusan akong mga kaigalaan to always have each other support, engage, tapos mag-iwan kayo ng bakas dun sa comment section. It's very important para mag-collab yung each followers natin. Every content I'm trying to post every day. So I'm trying to grow dito sa Facebook, including dun sa ibang platform ko. So we try to help each other. So my idea is, meron akong iniisip to help everyone else, each followers, okay? So once it will click, so kung ano yung mabibigay yung support sa akin dito sa pag-live ko and every content that I make, then I'll do the same to you. Okay? So tapusin nyo lang yung video, short video na ginagawa ko, or whatever content that is. Tapos huwag nyo kalimutan mag-iwan ng bakas. Mahalaga sa akin yun, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye!